I am back just in time for the Bitcoin halving. Where is price going? Well, we know in the long term it is going to go up historically after the halving because it's a supply and demand issue. You have less Bitcoin being released to the market, but in the short term, what is going on? We've got a bunch of big banks, and you've got Wall Street now involved, and they are manipulating to get this sucker to go down. We've got a symmetric triangle forming on the daily, and if this sucker ends up breaking out here in a week or two, which is going to be right around where Bitcoin has the halving, well, we can see a breakout, and that breakout is going to take us skyrocketing to around $84,000, which will be insane. And why am I even considering trading something like this? It's because you just have a risk versus reward, right? Yes, overall, sometimes Bitcoin ends up going down before the halving and a little bit after the halving, but I'm suspecting that it's going to go after the fact because every time you see a little bit of a dip and boom, it skyrockets. The one before 2020, you have in July, it went up to the moon beforehand, then it tanked a little bit afterwards, and then it was a slow grind up to all-time highs. That's typically where it's going. And right now, we have gone a little bit sideways. We've got a little bit of liquidation, but we still have a pretty good trend line on the daily here that is again, forming that symmetric triangle. So I do have a price target here. If we end up breaking down, we will probably see the $60,000 range to $59,000 range. I believe that that will hold strong for the immediate short term. If that box does not hold, well, we could see a $50,000 Bitcoin, which if that happens, man, it's time to get a second mortgage, do all sorts of things because everyone is going to be so scared that Bitcoin isn't doing anything and it's a time to make real good money. Well, this is Johnny Crypto. I'm here to help you guys make some money. Like, subscribe, you know the thing for the YouTube algorithm if I add value.